When the news broke that the JSAF, under the request of the Commissioner of Police, had launched an investigation into aspects of Alkaline's After All music video, I had said that irrespective of how we feel about it, whether we think Alkaline is being targeted by the police, whether we think there are more serious things that the police force need to tackle, it is inconsequential, because the matter is that an investigation has been launched. Now we're seeing where that investigation has resulted in 4 police officers to face sanctions over said music video. I'm going to talk about it on my circle soon forward. Four police officers to face the music over Alkaline's video. The pun is real. At least 4 police officers are facing possible disciplinary sanctions after an investigation identified that they played roles in Alkaline's controversial After All video that featured scenes of guns, trigger pulling, weed smoking, criminality, and corrupt cops. Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake said the investigation was progressing swiftly and that we have all information now. We are doing 2 investigations, an administrative investigation, and there is another investigation to determine whether the guns used in the video are authentic or props, and that one is being done by the CIB, DCP Blake said. CIB is the Criminal Investigative Branch of the JSAF. The investigation had been ordered by Commissioner of Police George Quayle after a big brouhaha erupted over the negative portrayal of cops in the video. I can confirm that we have identified at least 4 police personnel in the video. We know that a marked police car was used and which section the vehicle was assigned to, and we will be following our internal procedures. I cannot speak to suspensions. We will have to wait on due process. Once the investigation is completed, if they are found guilty, then the decision will lie with the Commissioner of Police as to what sanctions will be applied, he said. It is understood with the JSAF that activities which are not consistent with policy guidelines and any duty conducted outside of the official program is a breach of the JSAF's anti-corruption policy. Hence, policemen and women of the force know that approval must be sought through the Office of the Commissioner of Police for members to engage in private service. DCP Blake stressed that all requests for private service of members are to be forwarded to the Office of the Commissioner of Police on the prescribed form and within the prescribed period of notice. There is a process. Officers who wish to appear in movies or videos must apply to the Commissioner's office and give details, and then a decision will be taken whether they can participate in these activities, he said. In 2011, after the fatal shooting of a member of dancehall DJs Movado's entourage by a police outside a New Kingston nightclub, Police Commissioner at the time, Owen Ellington, in his force order said he had taken note of several incidents which have attracted national attention, in which members of the JSAF and its auxiliaries are engaging in extra work arrangements. These arrangements include working as bodyguards, promoters, stakeholders, and participants in dances and stage shows, where breaches of the law are being committed and driving up of public passenger vehicle.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So whether we like it or not, the investigation is still ongoing, and at this stage in the investigative process, 4 police officers have been identified as to have been participants in said music video, and the police hierarchy suggesting that they cannot specify at this point in time the nature of the sanctions that these 4 will face, and we don't know if there's more. They're saying there are 2 investigations that are ongoing. One was to find out the persons who were involved and the origin of the vehicle, the marked police vehicle that was in the video, along with whether or not the weapons present in the video were real or were they props, you understand? So that investigation is ongoing in conjunction with the others. So that is the situation, peeps. 4 police officers have been found to be participants of the video, and as such they would have breached the JCF corruption policy. I kind of get tired of the topic, in all honesty, but you know, the work is the work, and when I really choose the topics, them, the stories, them kind of choose with, so we are give the people them what them really need still, you understand? I know the comments them are going to be already, and I know there will be some repetition of comments as people are say, yo, I fight them, I fight the artists. You know, some people are going to say, yo, Alkaline is being targeted. You know, some people are going to say the police them have more important things to do. So irrespective of what we are saying, the situation is as is, and we can't do nothing to change that, you understand? They are investigating, and the investigative process has turned up and has revealed that members of the JCF would have operated contrary to their roles as officers, and possible consequences will result because of their actions. Now, as I said, people, no matter what we want to say about the situation, we don't have to like it, and we can't say all manner of things. The fact is, it is something that is being done, and if we're going to be honest with ourselves, there are aspects and facets of that videos that are concerning. Whether it is a music video, yes or no, some areas of it are cause for concern, and if you don't want to ask the questions, them, well, people are ask them, and the police are taking steps to address those. Saying yes, more important things left to do. Yes, the criminals them are overrun the country. Yes, them blame dancehall music for everything, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. You understand me? I say so. I could see what happened to them 4 police officers there, and I could see how the case continue to develop now. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.